Alright everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create an account on YouTube. To create an account on YouTube is creating an account on Google. So what you need to do is here, I am simply going to the settings page. First of all, if you're using an Android device, you could do this. And next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and go to accounts. Or you could just go to Google. So I'm going to go to about phone section and click on Google account, and then you could simply click on add account. Now you have to select Google. So here you have to start with the procedure. So verify your identity by confirming your PIN or a biometric, all sort of things. And now you have to click on create account at the bottom of the page. So select whether it's for your business or for personal use. Select that. Give a name that is your first name, last name. Tap on the next button. For the age verification, type in your date of birth according to it, and then you have to make sure to enter in your year as well and select the gender type as well and tap the next button. Moving on, you can select a username that's going to be your email address or a Google ID, and see, this is going to be my suggested. Now if you cannot find one, you could also use the suggested. Tap on the next button. So here it is, and then tap the next once again. Now then you will be prompted to create a password. Alright then, create a password, or you could go with the suggested one as well. And once you're done using the password, let's see, this is the one. And once you're done using a password, you have to go and make sure to enable all sort of permissions, and you'll have successfully created your Google account. Now all you need to do is, in order to create a Google YouTube account, you need to open the YouTube app on your device. Now, let's say that you're not signed into your YouTube, then you need to click on this profile initial that it's going to be indicating sign in. Just tap on it and then select the gear icon or select the account. And then you want to simply go ahead and click on switch account, or you could just simply click on add account and then select the particular Google account that you recently created. And this is going to be your creations of your YouTube account. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.